Oh, hey guys, I didn't see it. So today we are doing another house tour. So I've added a few things since my last video. So this is where the area where you have fun and stuff and talk. And my walls have changed. But you're saying, wait, why do those walls look like that? So this is where the prince will stay, because they have their own rooms. We're gonna put prince. Put it right there. Oh, but the alarm clock. I'll do that. Okay, you guys now. Let's turn this on. This is the print. This is the girl room. Yeah, she has her own. They have their own windows. So this is window. You can look at the. You can look out. There's a few stuff I'm missing in this room. A lot of things, like where he's gonna change and stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna find that. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications every time I do a video. So it's gonna be like that. He's the prince. And this is their playroom. Same as always. Except this and this, and I added that, and we just deleted the music room. And the music is out here, guys. See. And guys, I got a new headset. And this is another talk area. The gym hasn't changed one bit. But I need to turn on the light in here. And this is where I play piano. This is my favorite song. Okay, we're done. So it hasn't changed a bit. I'm still figuring out where I should put there. But right now we're just gonna go to the gym. The work. Oh, we added these two things right here to add. So here we are. There is this. Oops, sorry. Let me be, guys. I have something to do. Wait. Sorry about that, guys. So we're gonna continue this video. But before we do that, guys, we're gonna get something to eat. And tickets. We got the burger place. And I work until tomorrow. So I don't have to work at all. Oh, this guy's here. I haven't paid my bills. Okay, I had to work today. Thank you. Okay, I'm going. Thank you for your service. I have to work. I do a few deliveries. Then I'm gonna have to work until. It's the early shifts. It's 5 o'clock. That's tiring in the day, but it's fine. We can work it off. So we have to work until 10 o'clock. We've decorated our house. So I'm gonna say house tour / working, and to help my bills. So guys, there's one thing. I'll probably have Minecraft to do on my videos or not. Minecraft or Roblox. What do you guys choose? My mom's gonna buy me Minecraft because I chose. And I read a whole book. So make sure to like and subscribe, guys. And guys, we have 20 subscribers. And I shared this YouTube channel 6 days ago. Yeah, 6 days ago. And it's growing. Pretty much, yeah. See how much money we have, guys. We just made 761. Our bills are 700. And our house cost 116. Okay, that's 116 slash. Okay, we can pay it now. I want to keep working. No, whatever. Boom, you did it. Now we just have to pay this off. My house, $700, and boom. That's how you do it. Ooh, I'm going in here. Hello, sir. I'm gonna check out your vehicles. Ooh, I really like this one. But it costs $12,000. I like this one. But it costs 800. Those B thingies. B thingies. Car? No. It costs $18,000 and it's only a 2-seater. So that's this car, but it costs. What's this boredomness? So guys, we're gonna go this way and keep looking until 10 o'clock. So help us. Guys, today's doomsday. I don't know where the volcano is gonna be today. It's gonna go spread to 158 servers. So beware. But if it doesn't happen, you say, no, you're wrong. So, smack the like button. And we got tons of views on our videos, guys. Tons. I've got 3 videos that got over 50 views. Yeah, welcome to my channel. One has 52 views. Yeah, all those got views, guys. I got views. And Doomsday is today, but I know the volcano is gonna spread. Yeah, I just said that. Again. You're like wondering, what's it gonna happen? I thought it's not my doors open. If I left my workspace. Alright, we're going to Blood Bowl, guys. We're not gonna work in this area. We're not gonna work in that area. We're gonna work in right here. And we need to add a computer in this one too. So we're just gonna get him set it up for one. Because it gets so expensive. It's so expensive, guys, that you have to buy less. We're gonna get them set up for one, guys. Get him a chair, just like sisters, like that. Now I need to find a place where he's gonna change. Storage. Now the only thing that's missing in this room is called that and a toy. I'm gonna go to decorations, guys. When I go to decorations, let's see if it works. So we're gonna go all the way to the toys, guys. All the way. Let's see if we can find it. That is like this. Now we just have to change the color to this one to like salmon. And all the floors must be white. Except the outside. Yeah, I'm liking this house. We got him set up for a computer, guys. So this is called a house tour / working. A second house tour. We're gonna do our laundry, guys, and see if we can like do this. There it is, guys. Now we're just gonna wait. Alright, guys. Whoa, we're done. Now we just need to dry it. Oh, guys, we have a pool! We just need to keep adding on to it. But first, we have to do the rooms first. We have a pool. Yes, pool. We have a pool, guys. It took. I had $4,000 left, and I just wasted it on that pool, guys. Wait, where do we store this? Yeah, I know. It's all the trash anyways. Thanks, mines. I'm the only one who used it. Yep, done. So we already have that in our rooms, everything. Tomorrow. Yep. I like this place. Ooh, free burger. Leftover burger. Oh yeah. Oh, so good. There's no people around. I'm gonna search for people. But after I make like $1,000. Let's see, $10,000. Yep, $10,000. Where am I? Oh, garage. But first we need to respawn this. And close this next video. Open it. Most people do that with their garage open. So we need to fix it. Got that. Fix the tires. Yeah. But first, I need a shower first. I really need a shower. In the dark. Hopefully I know where I'm going. Ouch. My head. Here we go, guys. This is the mood. Our hunger is at a 100. Fun level is 34. Hygiene 50. 60. Energy 65. Alright, I'm doing good. Now I need some rest. With the lights off. This is like the nighttime. Just it's not nighttime. At least I have a window that tracks at the kids' every movement. Alright guys, what do I say in the chat? AC for a dad. I'm gonna say that, guys. Hopefully someone responds back and says ABC, guys. Okay, no one's responding. Because there's like 20 people in the server and this is what I get. Oh my gosh, I left this open. If someone's in our house, I'm gonna... Nope, no one's in our house. Good. ABC for any... If I said ABC for anything, they would ask for money. Ready? We're about to run this. Boom. Alright guys, we out. So guys, what do you think about Doomsday? What time is it gonna be at? Or it's just not gonna happen? July 29th or June 29th? Which one's gonna be? I'm gonna get the richest business in Bloxburg. Back when I was in high school, I had tons of friends. Till they thought I was gonna be poor, and because I moved away to my kingdom. Then I came back, and my dad's gonna leave me alone. What does that mean? It's cut off. I think she said AB, or... I don't know what she said. guys enjoyed. There will be another video today. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And guys, if I reach 18,000 subscribers, my mom will buy me any game I want. Doesn't matter how expensive it is. I need you to go over here, go over here, go over here. Whatever. If I reach 18,000 subscribers, guys, I get any game I want. So guys, it's been a great video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications. We'll see you later. Peace out. Yeah.